Hello world, Chef Toby here with Redco Food Service Equipment. I want to talk to you today about a new piece of equipment from Univex called their multi-purpose oven. I have a lot of experience with combi ovens. This little oven has so many features and benefits packed into a small package, small price. Just want to walk through with you some of the cool features. This is a full 6-sheet tray size oven. Multi-purpose meaning this is, if you will, a combination oven. It will bake, steam, combination of both, air fry, grill, braise, a lot of many features. Each oven comes with its own multi-point core probe. This is a 4-stage probe with each unit. Oven has 2 fans per 6-sheet tray cavity, and the fans are auto-reversing. Every 3 to 4 minutes, they're gonna switch direction. So you turn the fan, not the pan on this oven. Easy to clean, removable interior and exterior window. Most of these windows on the outside can't be removed. Self-integrated washing system with degreaser and deliming agent. Comes with a door, drip tray, as well as a cavity drip tray. These units have field reversible doors, I noticed. There's an outlet, so you can just switch the hinges, put the handle over here, you don't have to buy a new door. Has a great touchscreen control. Very intuitive, so just to do combination cooking or any cooking, I set my time. I can either scroll or hit my number. I can use the probe if I wish, set temperature. I have adjustable fan speed. The fan speeds 1 and 2 are both pulse fan speeds. Neat feature, so if you're lower fan speed, fan only kicks on when the heating elements come on. I can also adjust steam and dry just by sliding my finger across. I can build my own recipes. Holds 90 recipes. Also has its own factory preset number of recipes as well. A lot of cool stuff in this oven for actually equipment that would cost you twice as much. You can get here with the Univex multi-purpose oven. Great for steaming, great for roasting, great for baking.